Hi, good afternoon, class. This is Mr. Cotton. This is just a quick little video just to let you know about what I told you yesterday. I will be in class today, but I might run a few minutes late. So just to let you know what's going on, I made a little video just to help you out, all right? So remember, when you come to class today, make sure you do join the Collaborate session right here. Right now the link is not posted, but you can join and make sure you stay in the Collaborate session along with the rest of the students until I join it, okay? That's where we're going to meet. So if you want to make sure you get your attendance counted, make sure you are right here, all right? So when you come to class, I created this folder right at the bottom. It's called Activity September 17th, 2020, first part of class. That should be 1S, but we'll fix that. Anyway, made this little video for you, okay? So it has all the directions of what I want you to do, okay? All directions of what I want you to do. I made a quick little video to show you just in real time, all right? So first thing, make sure you come right here. Click on this, right? Okay, so it says directions. Make sure you join the Collaborate session. If you have to leave to complete the assignments, that's fine. However, make sure to rejoin. So if you have to leave because you have to watch the video or whatever, hey, I totally understand that. Just make sure you rejoin the class, okay? Make sure you rejoin. First thing I want you to do is to go to Unit 0 and find the grounded story. So just real quick, if you don't know what a grounded story is, it is in Unit 0. And it's right here. Right here, okay? Called Grounded. I want you to click on this, go in here. Click on this, go in here, right here, okay? It's going to take you to the story. I want you to read this story 2 to 3 times to yourself. Okay, 2 to 3 times to yourself. If you are able to talk in the chat, you can read it as a group together. It does not bother me, okay? It does not bother me. Okay? Next thing I want you to do, let me go back to where we started from, okay? Go back to where we started at. Okay? So, go back in here. Make sure you go to the story, okay? Then I want you to read that story. And while you read, in your reading notebook, I want you to take notes to yourself. Now, these notes can be things that you notice. They could be things that you find interesting about the story. They could be characters that you find within the story. You know, things like that. It does not matter to me, okay? You know, I want you to take these notes because we're going to talk about it when I get into class. They're going to feed into what I call our annotations, okay? That's what they're going to feed into. So I want you to take notes in your reading notebook in your crafting section, okay? That's what I want you to do while you read this, okay? All right, next thing, when you're done with that, I did create some practice activities that I want you to do, okay? Most importantly, I will be in class today. Remember, join the Collaborate session at 12 as always. You can email or remind at me just in case you have any questions. All right. So first thing is if you scroll down, there's this video right here that I want you to watch. It's called Video on Subjects and Predicates. Directions: watch this video, enjoy. Make sure to click the play button link to access this video. So if you want to watch this video right here, I want you to watch this video. I want you to click this link. Video start playing for you just like that, okay? I want you to watch this video first. It's over subjects and predicates. Then I want you to hit this next button right here, okay? The next button. Scroll to the bottom, my boy Napa. There's some practice worksheets that I want you to do, okay? You click on them. They automatically open up for you right here, okay? I'll make open up for you. What I want you to do is in your writing notebook, crafting section, I want you to complete both these worksheets, okay? Follow the directions that are listed, and I want you to write these sentences, okay? If you do not finish this, it's okay. Remember, I'm not in class technically right now, so this is what I need you to work on until I get into class. I'll probably be running maybe 5 to 10 minutes late, so this is just to encompass the time. If you don't finish, it's okay, but I do want you to work on it. I do want you to get to it if you can, okay? That's all I want you to do. Okay, this video will be located. It will be located right in the main page. Excuse me. right in the main page here. I will put it probably at the top right here, so you should just be able to click on it and access this video. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I will be in class. Most importantly, make sure you go to the Collaborate session and start on the reading and everything like that. Okay? All right. See you guys later. Have a great day.